In this video, I am going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Roblox Studio. So in order to do that, you will need to have Roblox Studio already downloaded into your PC, and same will be for ChatGPT. It was called Codex before, but now it's called ChatGPT. So make sure it's downloaded, both of it, and make sure both of them are updated to the latest updates. Now just go and access the projects that you want to add ChatGPT to. Once you do so, as example for me, this project, we'll have to go and open the AI assistants. So you can do that from this icon at the top right. It's AI assistants. As you can see, you'll find your user notifications, connect status, and you'll find AI assistants. Click on it, and you will find this new tab opened. So here you'll have to click on the three dots, and you'll find manage API keys. Here is the Gemini that I'm using. So I'm using the AI assistants of Gemini at the moment. But for us, we'll have to click on manage MCP servers. Once we do so, you'll find this right here. So if it's already installed, it will show right here. As example, I do have Claude installed, Claude Desktop and CLI and ChatGPT and Visual Studio Code. So I can connect that very easily with Quick Connect option. If you don't have it open, just click on it and it will open. If you don't have ChatGPT installed into your PC, you will not find it. Of course, you can also try to connect it in other ways if you want to, if you don't want to download it, and you can do that if you want. But for me, as example, click on Quick Connect, ChatGPT. All I need to do is just enable it. As you can see, since it is enabled, I should be good to go. Keep in mind that ChatGPT should be opened and installed into your PC as well, as we mentioned before. So let's just close it. One thing before we do that, of course, if you don't have the MCP servers enabled, make sure to enable them as well. So if you don't do that, it will not be useful. So you'll have to enable that first, then you'll have to enable ChatGPT. Of course, if you're not going to use anything else, make sure to disable that. An example like Claude or any other application that you have that you're not going to use at the moment. You can also connect via API keys if you want to. So, an example, I'm using Gemini 3 using API on Google API. I can go, an example, and disable that and use OpenAI API key and click here on edit. And of course, I can enter my API key right here, and I can get the API from OpenAI or ChatGPT, and you can enter your API key right here. And of course, as we said, you can use it using MCP servers and connecting ChatGPT to your Roblox Studio as well from here through this quick connect, since it's very easy. Of course, you'll find also the setup instructions if you want to connect it using MCP tools on any other AI if it offers the MCP options, and you should be ready to start using it inside Roblox Studio. So now, since it is connected, example, it's enabled, I can just go back here, click on the three dots again. As you can see, once I click on it, I'll find GPT 5.5. And of course, if I go back here and disable that instead, and as example, enable any other thing, I'll be able to find like the Gemini enters instead of that. So here you'll find Roblox defaults. You can change it to whatever you want. You can use the MCP server like ChatGPT instead. It's up to you if you want to use it through MCP servers or API keys. So you can use either ChatGPT or OpenAI, and you can use it using the MCP servers through here. And of course, you'll find the AI assistants here. You can test it however you want. An example here, I just test this out and it's working wonderful. So that's basically how you connect ChatGPT to Roblox Studio. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and goodbye.